Are you getting annoyed by the IDE Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Before diving into the manual fix for IDE Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the IDE Library, a legacy IDE Control auxiliary module, historically used to manage low-level communication with ATAPI-compliant IDE controllers. In modern systems, it serves as an unmanaged shim for legacy applications to query disk geometry or manage optical drive tray manifests via IOCTL disk get drive geometry calls. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The IDE Library DLL library is a specialized component of the Localized application interface system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered IDE library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of IDE Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes IDE library documentation. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for IDE library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.